Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer Gajala Meghalaya Dr. BDR Tiwari. Henne kasni ulalum bad bishar Bniah ya kajingya chapriang ka special intensive revision ha kabaidei berkathup kerteng vote hadin balapanmi ya ka draft electoral roll ha ka santrik Bniah nailar hajar apun rio. Dr. Tiwari ulapanlong ya kajingelang haringkat ki Deputy Commissioner kam District Election Officer ki Sub-Divisional Officer, ki Electoral Registration Officer, bat ki Assistant Electoral Registration Officer. Ulalum lang ru ya kajingelang bat ki nong mikmat jang ki seng san perthai bala ithu ahakari bat kajala da ka papensyai ki syapang kajinglong jong ka SIR. Ya ka draft electoral roll na kabenta baro ahandru pautli ki Assembly Constituency ha kajala Meghalaya. Lapanmi aha kasantrik Bniah nailar. But kapor claims and objections kan pili hadu ka sautrik nailur. Kat ba ka jingpen bana bat ka jing snap kalaya chekmat kan beteng hadu ka laitrik Bniah risau. Hagni ka jing bishar Bniah ki DC DEO ki lapentip baya ki kopi jong ka draft electoral roll la sam bat ki seng san perthai balai thu. Ki khliet nong sanchar ki dorbash nong ki nokma bat ki wei ki nong ishim benta. Kajingelang kala bishar Bniah ru ya kajing penmi ya kathop kerteng jong ki nong jit ki bam yashim benta bala kenria lakhlat bat ki bam dei ki bapaka ki ba omshum lapan rung kerteng ha ka draft electoral roll katkum kabut wise list ya ki list labu ha ka website jong CEO bat ki DEO baper ban ailat ki nong shong shnang ban pensisha ki daw ki bala ban long ba omshum lapan rung la bishar Bniah ashu ikinong jiet ki badan kamban bishar Bniah ha kapor jong ka notice bat ka hearing hakeleng ka jela ki don arlak arpu hajar hinyos pa amfra pun riungut ki nong thavut ki bala shakhen kum ki no mapping kat ba sawlak aru hajar praspa san prangut ki don ki jingbam ya ha ka map jong ki bat ki record SIR jong snem hajar apusan baro ala itu ya ki hindriu la san huwe hajar hindriu spa sa husaungut ki nong thavut ban bishar Bniah bat ban le ya kabadan kam kat kum ki rukom trei kam balabo
is ongoing from 5th August till 4th September 2026 and disposal of claim and objection will be scheduled till 5th August from 5th August till 3rd of October 2026. In process today, we have a virtual review meeting with all the district election officers and EROs, AEROs, SDO elections to review the progress of ongoing SIR process. And similarly, we have a meeting with the recognized national and state political party, and we have briefed them the progress of ongoing SIR and period of filing of claim and objections, as well as notice and hearing process and other activities being undertaken to ensure transparency and participation in the revision exercise. During this virtual review meeting with the field officials, they have informed that draft electoral roll was shared with the recognized political parties as well as with the traditional heads, village darbars, BLOs, Nokmas, etc. So we have reviewed the display and hosting of the booth-wise list of the ASDDs electors whose name has not been included in the draft electoral roll. Such list have been made available on the CEO's website as well as the respective district website to enable citizens to verify probable reasons for non-inclusion, and the list is being physically also made available to the BLOs at the ground and as well as to the local heads also we provided. So one more aspect in respect to the notice phase. Across the state, as we informed earlier, also total out of 21.69 lakh electors as reflected in the draft roll, total 2,22,087 and 86 electors have been identified under no mapping category, means neither their name or their parent or grandparent, which is through progeny, been met with the SIR 2005 electoral roll, and altogether 4,28,858 electors have been identified apart from them, with the discrepancies in their mapping with the previous SIR 2005 records. Thus, a total of 6,51,644 electors have been identified, which is almost 30% of the draft roll for scrutiny and appropriate action in accordance with the prescribed procedure. So, these people are supposed to get the notices and they have to come for the hearing process. So, discrepancies identified through ECI net, these includes mismatch between electors' name and name available in their name available in the previous SIR 2005 records, mismatch in their parents' name given in the 2005, age difference between elector and their parent being less than 15 year or more than 50 year of age gap of less than 9 months between siblings linked to the same parents, more than 6 children being linked to the same parent, and an average difference of less than 40 years between elector and grandparent. So we have directed all the EROs and AERO to carefully scrutinize such cases and ensure that notices are generated, printed, and served in a timely manner. They have to give the receiving copy of the notices to all the electors. District were also instructed to prepare systematic hearing schedule and regularly update the prescribed monitoring sheet so that the progress of notice service hearing can be analyzed and monitored by the Office of CO. Upon receipt of the notice, the elector concerned may appear before the ERO or AERO and furnish the necessary supporting document prescribed for the purpose of hearing. So during the claim objection received after draft publication, as per the latest position placed before the meeting, 2,449 applications have been received in Form 6, Form 7, Form 8, comprising 1,121 applications in Form 6, 8 applications in Form 7, and 253 applications in Form 8 for shifting, and 1,067 other applications in Form 8 for the correction, etc. Electors who are unable to submit their filled in enumeration form during the enumeration phase may apply for inclusion by filing Form 6 along with the prescribed declaration form during the period for filing of claim and objection. Form 7 is used for objection to proposed inclusion or seeking deletion of an existing entry, while Form 8 provides for shifting of residence, correction of particulars, and other prescribed changes. The EROs has been directed to ensure timely scrutiny and disposal of all applications received during the period for filing of claim and objections, and necessary training, etc. to all the field officials are also being scheduled and being provided, especially to the BLOs for this phase. So they already been sensitized about their do's, don'ts, role, responsibilities, and how to conduct all this entire claim and objection phase exercise with the satisfaction and without having any error in the entire process. So we have the separate meeting with the political parties representatives, and the status of draft electoral roll, no mapping cases, mapping discrepancies, notice and hearing process, and claim objection, etc. After the draft publication is also been briefed to the political parties, and simultaneously they requested to continue their active participation through their booth level agents, BLAs, and assist eligible elector in verifying their name and particular in the draft electoral roll, and in filing appropriate claims and or objection within the prescribed period. So the importance of the regular engagement with the political party throughout the SIR process we already briefed, and the weekly meetings have been conducted with the political parties at the ERO, district election officer, and CO level on the regular basis, and any suggestions and their observations, etc., to strengthen the transparency and to facilitate any issue with the electors. We have already noted, and all those things after discussion, the needful arrangement also being ensured. So they are actively participated during this enumeration phase, and including appointment of the 1733 BLAs across the state. That is a big achievement, because once we started this process, we are not having any authorized BLA appointed by any political party. Eligible voter to be included, and no eligible person to be deprived from their name in the electoral roll. So without following due process, all the EROs and EROs can't do any deletion. So they have to issue notice, conduct the necessary inquiry, and provide a fair and reasonable opportunity to the person concerned, and pass a reasoned speaking order as per law before taking any action in respect to their claims and objections. So in case any person is aggrieved by the decision of ERO or AERO, he or she may prefer an appeal to the district magistrate within 15 days of the ERO's order under section 24A of the Representation of the People Act 1950, read with rule 27 of the Registration of Electors Rule 1960. If the appellant remains unsatisfied, a second appeal may be preferred before the Chief Electoral Officer of State within 30 days of the District Magistrate's order as per Section 24B of the Representation of People Act 1950, read with Rule 27 of the Registration of Elector Rule 1960. The Election Commission of India reiterates its firm commitment to a transparent, participative, and inclusive revision process, ensuring that no eligible citizen left out while no ineligible person is included in the electoral roll. So we appeal to all the eligible electors on behalf of Election Commission of India to check their names and particulars in the draft electoral roll and not wait until the last date to file claim and objection. The draft electoral roll may be inspected through the concerned ERO, AERO, BLO, and through the online facilities made available by the Election Commission of India. And this list is also been given wide publicity, and through village darbars also we have provided those lists, so they can also be consulted. So CEO office also sought the continued cooperation of the district election machinery, political parties and their booth level agents, traditional institutions, civil society organization, and more than that, the media, the citizens, all the people and stakeholders during the important phase of SIR 2026, which is the claim and objections, with the objective to ensure that no eligible citizen is left out and no ineligible person is included in the electoral roll, to make this one error-free.